is the season 10 three-point shootout challenge. So our finalists. Yung una yung muli. Or ano gusto nyo? That's yung number 1. Okay. So, 9-10, magsisimula tayo. Yung mga nasa bahay pa, CJ, o Samang Ilocano.
Paulo Santos from Samang Ilocano. CJ Ursua.
Wala nga.
Kung hindi kayo dati, forfeit na yung ano nyo.
Orbit mo na. Dito ako.
Binigay nyo na yung ano.
Yung ano? Yung part.
Ala, 15. Oscar, kuha na kayo. So, organize. So, our finalists for today. Sino pwede? Sa camera.
Eh, bang ano ka dyan? Ha? Page accounts.
Gusto mo na
Okay
muna.
lang, sakit lang.
Si ano?
Ano?
Ako una. Ako kulenat eh.
Okay. After 1 minute, Ferdinand Santos. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay.
So, sampu ang kailangan natin, finalists. O sige, first, okay. Passing back the ball, so number 10, at number 9.
At number 8. Okay, ready? First contestant is Mark Abad. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last ball, money ball. 0. Ay, 1 point, 1 point. Sorry. 2 points. 3. 14 seconds. 5 points by Abad. 6 points. 6 points by Mark Abad. So, wala si Anthony Garces. Next is Elton Ga of Freaking Flick. Okay, ready? Three points for Ga. 25 seconds. 4 points. 5 points. 5 points, 14 seconds. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. So, what's the final score? What's Lester? 8 points by Ga. So, he's leading now. First place is Ga. Our next contender is from Pasaway, Brian. Let's go! Oh, finals na. Oh, yung manalo. Okay? Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Ito lang buzzer. 2 points. 3. 5 points by Brian Lisbo. Ang init. Moneyball. Pagod na, pagod na. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 5. Count? Okay. 8 points. Pero in case of 8, sinong
Wala na sa next ball. Sino nakalala sa ball? Okay, sige. Okay, next in from Pasaway,
Carlo Pipoy Haralde. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, Master. $35 seconds. That counted. Stepping. My score is 6 points. Moneyball, not counted. It is sayang. Stepping. May referee. Next is Alex Nunez from Gladiators. Wait, Alex from Elimination got 10 points. Tingnan natin makailan siya ngayon. Buzzer mo Lester. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Alain bitis pero lemon. Oh? Extend yung bitis alain.
2 points. 20 seconds.
Metal pa.
4 points.
Para soft chew.
9 seconds. 5.
Ang tabla.
Ilan, Lester?
6.
5 points?
Ano yan, pre? Top 1 na
6
agad?
points.
Top 1 na agad?
Mm.
Wala na.
So far, tayo sa number 1 with 8 points. So our next is from Pick and Pick, Daryl Alaba with 10 points. Ready? Bola sa rack muna. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Sige, sige. Gawin doon. Sa laglagan, ha?
Sige. Five seconds. Count it. Mamadali si Daryl. 4 points by Daryl. Grabe, sa elimination, naka 10 points. So our next is from Pick and Pick, Kevin Gutierrez. Ready, Lester? Okay, Kevin. Four points by Kevin. 28 seconds. Ilan? 8 points. Ay, tatlo, triple tie. So our last, number 1 from elimination, our defending champion, Benjo Carlos. So kay Benjo, 30 seconds na kailangan. 8 points. From elimination, gano'n siya, naka 13 points. In 3, 2, 1.
Alak pa!
Ala, wala pa, 0. Two points. Ilan, Lester? 5 points. Okay, we have a finalist. Okay, yung tatlo ha, tatlo. Commercial. Intermission.
Bigyan mo 5 minutes! May bayad dyan, 10. Patalastas eh.
Di na depend ni Benjo kanyang corona.
Ilan ba sikit? Itong elimination?
Hindi, wala. Hindi sumali.
Ay, di sumali.
Natakot kay Benjo eh. Yun. Kung sumali sana si Kit, champion sana. Ika, magpulot muna kayo. Magpulot
Tayo na
muna.
Kung mo natalo, uwi na.
May session kami, kanina kami pa nag
Tayo na may
Okay.
session. Kaya nga pala walang pinasok. Ang utak, nasa alak.
Triple time.
Nasa alak ang utak, kaya walang pinasok.
Elton. Brian.
Sinagpatukan mo si Mikey Utren, ako kay Kito.
Brian!
Okay. Diretso na. Sila na lahat winner. Ngayon,
Ikaw, premyo.
yung pinaka-counting bola na, ha? Kung makulit, yung pinaka-counting bola. Okay? Wari, press ka na, no? Yung score? Una. Okay?
Magkano premyo, pre?
Pat money.
Magkano?
Ngayon sa sa 200 data.
200? Ilan ba sumali?
14. Two points by Brian. Jimmy Hiya.
Atras ka konti.
Not counted. Hindi mo yung paa. Tingin sa paa. 6 seconds. Kaya pa isa pa. Brian Lisbo, how many? Ilan? 6 points by Brian. Team score to beat, 6 points. Our next shooter from Pick and Pick, Alton Ga. MVP ng ministry. Yung bola, isang bola. Ano, ready na? Okay na? Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Ay, 3. Ano?
3 points na.
Volleyball pa yan. Yan. Kasi yung pinaka-kunti. Guys mo, may money ball pa dito. Pang 6 na yan. Ayun.
Money ball, 5 seconds. Whoa! Official score? 9 points for Elton Ga. So, Kevin, dapat maka 9 points or higher ka. Or si Elton Ga magiging champion for this season 10.
Isa. Dalawa. Manibol. Wala. Wala.
Wala na. Maano si Elton.
Ayun. Tatlo. Yan lang ang kakalaman sa limang bola. Apat. Wala na.
Congratulations!
Congratulations for the 3-point league season
10.
10, Mr. Congratulations.
Now, pick and flick. Na-dethrone ng ating ano.
Alak
Kayo
na
na lang, mag-forward na lang.
Alak na sa utak.
Okay.
Ano? Kaya nga.
Award natin sa finals ha. Magbayad muna kayo, mga Chinese.
Si Dalil lang nagbayad.
Ay, sa 3 points, hindi pa sila nagbayad.
Hmm.
Putang ina yan.